Hello and good day, everybody. This is Travis from King and Auto Classics, and I have a 1969 Z28 Camaro to show you. It is in Daytona Yellow, which was its original color, and it is a matching numbers car. So it's got the 302 engine, which has been completely rebuilt. That was done in 2012, and then a lot of the aesthetic restoration was done in 2013. This is an absolutely beautiful car. We've had a fair amount of Camaros come through here since I've been here, and this is easily the nicest one I've ever seen. It has a Houndstooth interior. It's got the rally style wheels with a set of BF Goodrich Radial T tires on it. It's got new bumpers on it when it was restored, new emblems. But my understanding, and we have a lot of documentation of this car, is that most of the engine is original. Just show you up close here. I believe it's a DZ VIN code, which tells you is one of the motor is one original 302. You can see the interior is absolutely gorgeous. You've got a Hirsch certificate on it, and odometer reads 96,000 miles. And on a car like this, the Houndstooth interior looks really sharp too. Obviously, you can see it's got 4-speed manual transmission there. Take a look in the back too. Has a new headliner. You can see that's in perfect condition. Dome light works, everything. In terms of all the lights and horn and everything works. It's got original style steering wheel. And the Daytona Yellow was there, like I said, the original color of this car. And it was repainted then in 2013. I think this car originated initially maybe out of Georgia and then was in Oklahoma. So it's a car that hasn't seen winters, and yeah, we'll have underbody photos of it, and you'll be able to see how flawless this car is, top to bottom. And the door jambs, the sills, everything, just really, really sharp. The glass on it is, I mean, I couldn't find a scratch anywhere on any of the glass. I know it had a new glass put in the windshield and the rear window. I don't know about the side windows, but there's no flaws in it anywhere. You can see the lines here. Your gaps, they're all perfect. Lines are laser straight. Did have a new bumpers on front and back, like I said. We can take a look in the trunk hole back here. Oh, that was smooth, huh? You can laugh at me for that. All right. Very clean trunk. And the doors and all close easily and nice, and The car starts up and runs with a flick of the key. You'll see that here in a minute. You have to start lifting weights for some of these classic cars in their hoods, I'll tell you that. All right, there's the engine. So like I said, original 302 engine in it. It was completely rebuilt in 2012. Has a Holley carburetor on it, which was restored. I believe it's got the original intake manifolds as well. I'm not positive on that, but look at this engine bay. It's crazy clean, highly detailed. You can tell the attention to detail. It does have has power steering, front disc brakes, and you can just see even with my bad video skills, you can see how crazy nice this car is. Let's get it started up. And look at that, clock works. I saw that they actually restored that clock. All the gauges work, radio works, lights work. It had a new heater core put in it as well. It's got a pair of kick panel speakers in the front, and I did turn them on earlier. We don't get any radio reception here, and the lights work, I know as well, because I pulled this in here at nighttime, but you see that there. You can see the blinker works on the left. And you see it's got those little side lights that some of these older cars have, I love. Door panels, emblems, all brand new. See right side, blinker works there. Here as well. And just look at that. Would you just look at that? This car is absolutely gorgeous. So I may have missed some things, and so I'm going to put a very complete detailed listing with this on our site, and that is at kinionauto.com, KINION auto.com, and we are in Clarence, Iowa. We have over 100 classic cars and trucks here. Our phone number is 563-452-2450. Give us a call or come and check out any of the cars for yourself. And if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe so you don't miss another classic car. Thank you very much, and have good holidays, everybody.